Hey guys, I'm Guerrero, and I have been working with hundreds of contractors that are either running small projects or big projects. And you know one thing that I keep noticing, and I keep hearing the same thing over and over? Too many contractors are stuck in the same cycle. They wake up early, they work long hours, they're chasing payments, they're juggling projects, and they're stuck, hoping that the next big project is going to solve all their problems. But it never does. Because hope just doesn't cut it, and working hard is not gonna make a difference. If you don't have the right system, the right process, the right people in your business, you're never going to grow. And you're gonna stay exactly where you're at, stressed, overwhelmed, and underpaid. The other day, I had a conversation with a 60-year-old man, and I asked him, how long have you been in business? He tells me over 30 years, Carlos. And I asked him, how much did you make last year? He tells me $300,000. Now I want you to think about this. A guy has been working for over 30 years in his construction business, makes $300,000 a year, and he has nothing to show for it. But it's not because he's not good. He's actually very skilled at what he does, but he does not know how to run his business or grow the business. You see, most of the time he has been working in the business rather than on the business. And that's why most contractors get stuck. Here's the truth. If you don't have the right systems, the right people, the right process, you're not going to grow your business, no matter how hard you work. So you have two choices. One, keep doing what you're doing and hope something changes. Or two, invest in your future. Grow your business, grow your team, and have something to live off, or maybe sell it in the future for millions of dollars. And this is why I created a $10 million developer club, because you don't have the time to waste. You see, this club is going to help you get to 6, 7, even 8-figure business. Now, here's how it works. You're going to get live coaching with me and my team. In addition to the live coaching, you're gonna have access to over 100 online training videos where you're gonna learn how to estimate, how to hire people, how to manage, how to close more deals, and so forth. In addition to that, you're gonna be added to my private community where you're gonna get 24-hour support from me and my team. Finally, you're gonna get access to my private templates where you're gonna be able to use them for your business to save you time and money and have all the resources you need. But before you go, let me give you 3 golden nuggets that's going to help your business right away. Number 1, simplify your sales process. You see, a lot of contractors make it too confusing for the client, and your sales process should be in 3 easy steps so that the client can feel confident, comfortable, and choose you as a partner. Number 2, create a schedule, not just for your projects, but for your business. It's good to have a weekly schedule to know exactly what you need to do every week after week for your sales, for your marketing, and for your operations. Number 3, track your numbers. If you don't know your cash flow, your numbers, you're basically flying blind. It is important for you to know everything about your business and the cash flow that is coming so that you could make the right decisions moving forward. Do you know what the difference between a 6-figure and a 7-figure business is? This is the big boys know their numbers. These are just a few tips that I gave you today. By joining the club, you can have a lot more information to grow your business. So join today so that we can grow your business together. So if you're serious about growth, landing bigger projects, landing more projects, and creating financial freedom for yourself and your family, join today.